Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about closed CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you connect your email inbox to closed CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to connect your email inbox to closed CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably have multiple emails, and rather than switching between all of them, you can connect up to 10 of them into your closed CRM and manage them directly from your CRM. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your closed CRM dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my closed CRM, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to connect your email inbox, here on the left side, you're going to click on settings. It looks like a gear icon. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see another menu here in gray, and you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom. Once you scroll to the bottom, you're going to see this button here, accounts and apps. Okay, once you click there, you're going to click on this blue add account button. All right, once you do that, you're going to see these three options right here: Google email, Microsoft email, or custom email address. For me, I'm going to go ahead and add my Google email. Once you've chosen, you're going to see a connect with button down here. So connect with Google. Okay, next Google's going to open up a browser asking which email inbox you want to connect. So I'm going to choose this one. Okay, next Google's going to let you know they're going to share your name, email, and profile picture with closed CRM. If you're okay with that, click on continue. Okay, next they're asking for permissions for your email inbox. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and select all, and then I'm going to click on continue. Okay, so this is pretty important. So you need to adjust the settings. So if you're going to leave this one open, this means that it's going to connect your calendar as well. I'm actually going to turn that off. This one you definitely want to have on. This means that you can email using your email inbox inside your closed CRM. Also, this one right here, I would probably leave on. This is going to be syncing your emails. And this way you can read your emails directly from closed CRM. And once you made those selections, go ahead and click on save. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes, and you should be able to see your email address right here. And you should see this green connected button. Now, if you want to view your inbox, you're going to be clicking up here on the top left, inbox. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to connect your email inbox to your closed CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.